Hello, my name is Cheena, and I want to welcome you to yet another exciting edition of Pouring Hearts with Cheena. On this edition, I have with us a very beautiful, elegant, strong-willed CEO. Yes, she happens to be the CEO of INVIROTECH Global Resources. Mama, please introduce yourself to us.
Thank you for bringing me on this show. My name is
Thank you for coming.
Emma Kingsley.
Okay.
I like to be introduced as the Oitus woman. Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you so much for gracing our seat. We love you. Mwah. Mama, if I heard you correctly, you said you are the oil tools woman. And we all know that that's a male-dominated industry. So please, how did you find yourself in this industry?
Okay. First off, it wasn't part of the plan. Being the Oitus woman was never part of the plan. But, sometimes life happens, and when you have options to choose from, you choose the better option. So, sometime last year, in April 25th, I lost my husband, which is the original owner of INVIROTECH Global Resources.
Okay.
And then I had to make a decision for myself and for my children. Decisions that will better our lives. And before making that decision, I had to put into consideration our daily life expenditures, school fees, rentage, and catering for 4 children. I needed something that can stand the pressure of these expenses. And that was how I took up my husband's business, which is INVIROTECH Global Resources, making me the oil tools woman. So on the 25th of April 2023, we just got back from Oka. We went for a short vacation in Oka, and on getting back, he dropped me in the compound, went in to just say hello to his children, and said he had a meeting to attend to, and stepped out immediately. On coming back, less than 30 minutes after he got into the house, we just had little discussions and went to bed. Somewhere around 2 a.m., I heard him snoring gently, and for someone that is not a snorer, I think that woke me up, and I tapped him, brother, adjust, and there was no response from him. I tried pouring water, there was still no response from him, and at that point I had to scream for help. So people got into my room, took him out, we got into a car, got into the hospital somewhere in GRA here in Port Harcourt, and just Nigerian doctors and their negligence. He wasn't properly attended to. In fact, he was on my lap up until his brother got to the hospital, got him down from the car, tried giving him CPR, but it was almost too late, and that was how we lost him.
So, Mama, how has life been after the death of your husband?
I wouldn't say super nice. Certain things will happen in life that will reveal the true identity of people, and people haven't really been nice. A lot of people that you think would be nice naturally. But the one that got me really upset was when someone came to ask me if I wanted to sell my car. Especially for the fact that I never put it up for sale. Do you understand? We are not even acquaintances. We don't talk. I think that was the first day I got to my husband's office on the 10th of January. I was still trying to do a little bit of cleanup and rearranging, and someone walked up to me. The same car I drove to the office, asking me if I wanted to sell it. That wasn't nice. And people just expect that you should suffer. As a video, and it's not a good thing.
So what's your advice to women who have found themselves in this situation? Because from your story, we know that this is not what you bargained for. No one prepares for death, and then you find yourself in such a situation. What do you advise women generally?
My advice, first off, is do not show the world your vulnerability. People don't care. People don't care. That's the truth. In fact, when you show them weakness, they take advantage of your weakness.
Exactly.
So just strive to be a better person. Prioritize your goals. If you know what you should do, do it. Don't expect people to tell you. And don't go around begging, because truth is people will just trample upon you, and they don't care. They don't care. So just work hard and see what you can do for yourself.
So, Mama, here is a gift from our sponsor, Kudi Secret, who happens to be the leading underwear store in and out of Port Harcourt. She's an amazing woman, and she said to gift you this and we hope it does put a smile on your face.
Oh, most definitely. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
the secrets. I really, really do appreciate this. May God bless you. Thank you.
Amen. Thank you. Thank you for joining us on this edition. It's also beautiful to actually see someone walk in shoes that you thought would break them and then they're standing strong. So this is to anyone out there who has found themselves in a situation that they did not bargain for. Please, if you're not taking anything home, just take home today that people don't care. So you really need to act tough. It is you against the world. Thank you so much for joining us on this edition. We sure hope that this edition passed the message to you. And of course, as usual, we can't wait to see you on our next edition. I love you. Thank you so much, Mama, for gracing us.
Thank you for having me.